Hey, good day. This is your buddy Jim. Welcome to Sawlogs Plastic Hubs, my humble shop today. I've been working around the holidays when I had time on a project. And it's another one of them, as Adam Booth likes to say, hey man, can you do this? I got a picture from a guy I used to work with at Eaton on my messenger and want me to make this saw stand, and I'm going to paint this thing. And I'm not going to show painting it, but I got to paint it. But that's what it called. And all I had was a picture. No dimensions, no nothing. So I basically sat down, looked at the picture, grabbed up the materials you'll see that I use. All of it stuff that I have laying, basically material I bought and dug out scrap bins. The tubing you see is black pipe that come from my stepson. He had a project and had leftover pieces, and took it. And the shafts are the steel cold roll that I have here in the shop. And so basically it's just flat plate, whatever. I mean, it's no precision machining. It's more of a fabrication job. I didn't show my welding because it's tedious for me to set it up, and I did get it welded, and the welds look pretty good, so I guess I'm satisfied with that. So get your easy chair, your soft drink, gather your neighbors around if you can get enough up for a watch party. Hey Tom, get Chaos up here please, because Tom likes to bring Chaos in and watch me. I guess Chaos needs some entertainment. With all that being said, sit back and enjoy this here little job I worked on. There's a little lathe work, little mill work, and I didn't show any of the welding, and I'm not going to show the painting. So sit back and enjoy it. Okay, well, we've got several things on the to-do list. One, I've actually got a customer job. Another is Adam Booth and them like to say, hey man, can you do this? Well, I've got a request to make a stand to hold a chainsaw up. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to build this sucker. This end has a little lip on it, so we're just facing this lip off right quick. Like I say, I know I'm oftentimes bad for this. We're going to see. I did chip the insert a minute ago, so. All right. Man, that thing really not doing the way it normally. This has got to be some really good material, but this is doing something I've never had to happen. Just want to like push out. Take us a light cut here and screw it up. I may have to rethink my material choice, you never know. Let me get a center drill in this thing. Okay, so I've got it set up and I've lowered my feed rates, and we're going to start trimming on this thing some light cuts. And what we're really doing right now is just roughing this down to give us some material. And what's happening is you hit these threaded spots, it's like an interrupted cut. And then this material's a little bit tough too, so creating a set of challenges for me this morning. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to rough this thing down to approximately, I'll check my pipe size, because this is going to be the piece I make all my inside stuff out of. And like I said, it's nothing but a piece of scrap steel. Thinking it's going to be around a 1/2 inch. So I'll bring you back as we get there. We're going ahead and I'm truing this piece of black pipe up that I'm going to use for the most of this thing. And trying to get it okay. See, it's been sawed and it's probably just stuck in the saw and sawed all kind of anyway, so we'll try to get it work. We got a good true face here. So I think that does it. We're going to take the deburr tool, stick in there, take the burr out of it. Then we're going to see if our pipe, see if our shaft will fit in here. No, it won't, which is good. That's the whole idea of what we're doing. I think it would if it didn't have a ridge. So what we're going to do is we're going to go in there and we're going to bore this thing just ever so slightly. True it up. We're not going to try to make a precision. Basically, these are all going to be weldments, and we got to have something to weld to. So, being it's pipe, it's not true stuff. So, I'm not going to take much of a bore. We're just going to go in there and get the boring line. See what happens. Mainly, what we want to do is get the welded seam out. I'm going to go in here really deep. There we go. And this is done. The idea is we want to take a welded, there's a welded seam, and this is just plain old water, black iron pipe, like gas pipe or whatnot. So, yeah. That's going to fit. See, there'll be screws and stuff. That's why I didn't want to turn much off. Okay, so let's just see what we got here. Again, I'm not boring to a size here as much as I'm just boring to give you a little clearance. So this piece here will fit in there and it'll have to rotate. This will rotate this way. It'll have a flat welded, the rod will have a flat machine in and welded onto it. So this will be another weldment. The other one will be a weldment. It'll actually just sit on the table, and there'll be a rod to fit into it that actually this will actually be welded to at an angle. And we'll cut this fool off, and I think I'll have all my pipe cut. May have to do a little extra machining on them, or especially the ones that's going to be welded here and deburred and whatnot. This may have a step in it, which would be fine. You can cut pipe off with a cut-off tool. This will give me a nice true cut-off here, which is what I'm shooting for. But it might help, excuse me, a backboard. Sometimes you do that. I backboard this thing. We're going to cut a this one will chamfer both ends of the lathe in a minute. We'll deburr it and chamfer it up good. Now that's cut off, and then we'll take this out and turn it around. Face it, we won't face it, we'll deburr it and chamfer it and chamfer it. Got chamfer the end that goes down on the other to be welded to. So we'll have some stuff done here. Like I say, this isn't nothing but black iron water pipe. I just have to have a couple of pieces here. Okay, now what I'm doing here is I'm just taking a light cut over that plate there. All I'm doing is just kind of trying to work it down, get my high spots off, get this thing true. Since it's a solid plate, this low carbide end mill that I'm using is just basically what I'm going to use to go in here in a little bit, put a slot in this. I just rough sawed it out, and I have no idea what I need to make it true, but I need it to be reasonably true to be able to mill it. So I got to keep working it down while I get the bow out of it, so to speak. Then I'll flip it over and we'll do the other side. I may just do one, but I got to do both sides. It's got to go into the mill. So this is just the process of me cutting this off and making it through. That little old carbide mill there is doing the job. I'm finishing this now. What I did is I just done a little quick layout. This ain't got to be exact. I just laid it out basically with a sort of symbol as far as dial calipers, marked where I wanted the line and the 1/4 inch from each end, set the mill down on it, set the DRO 0 to one end and what the other side was, and that's the way we're going to do it. It's not got to be exact. Alright. That leaves me a nice little slot in there. Right there's where that red, by the way, is fingernail polish. Actually, we got some in a grab bag from the auction. Alright, now we'll try this again. All we're going to do now is just run down through here and put a little 30 thousandths flat. And all this is for it to weld to. Alright, that's just for a welding flat actually. What I did is instead of doing this, I'm just cheating a little bit. I'm just drilling this hole out. I just drilled that hole with a couple 3/8 drill bits, so I'm not even changing the mill from the other day. We're just going to mill this thing out. And basically all we got to have here is a slot. running right over here. Come back a little bit. That's right there. Looks like we need to be a little bit deeper. And then we're going to mill it the other direction. And we're going to mill us out a little nice little slot in this. So all this is for is for the chainsaw to mount to, actually. So I didn't get quite deep enough on the first pass, so I'll have to go back, but that's no big deal. Okay, now what we're going to do here, we're going to make a little relief for the bolt, for the bolt that slides in this to hold this, to let it rotate. So what we're doing, this particular one right here I've got is a piece of material that I've already turned, and so what I'm doing right here is I'm just going down to add flats in it, because if you remember this piece, from when we was machining with it. So what I'm doing is I'm just taking a cutoff tool and I'm just going to work these flats into place. Like so. And then I'm going to, I've got, what I did is I went in and touched it and set me a 0. So I'm just going into 0 here. And I'm just going to do this all with the cutoff tool. Hopefully that's pretty much cleaning it up. Just about. Good enough for what we're going to do. Alright, then I'm just going to make about several more cuts just like that. This one, I've got another one to do too, by the way, but it's, I mean, I'm watching the blade sit here and walk. We're not cutting deep. I can slow it down. I'm doing this all by hand, so just trying to kind of, this is the easiest way to do this. It's not, it doesn't have to be persnickety precise. It's just relief. It's going to be in here for a bolt to tighten up on the control and rotation. So this has been a lot of, you know, basically I was given a photograph and I'm just trying to engineer this around what the customer sent me on a message. I mean, it's basically, I don't do much customer work. This is a favor again for a friend. So if he wasn't a friend, I wouldn't be doing this. So we're just going to take this here and just kind of cut off blade and just kind of ease it through here. Just kind of make this little flat. And this one, this one will probably be a bigger flat. And the reason is I'm trying to hide something that I think I used to start with. I'm going to take the file and knock the burrs off, and then this one's ready to go to the mill. We got to do some milling on these things. So this one's ready to go to the mill. I got one more to do, and I'll do it off camera. That looks a lot better. I took about 100 RPM out. I'm going to be honest, most of the time with me, I'm a bit old school. I just kind of go by how my chips look. take about, my plans to take about 300,000 and clean it off and have a look at it. What we're basically doing here is welding something to it. So that's all we're doing. This is just a flat spot for welding. Nope, I ain't to the center. I'm just what I'm doing. I want it somewhat on the center line. That's what I'm doing, milling to the center. Of the part. And then move everything over back. I'll bring you back. You kind of get the picture. There's all the pieces to this sucker. Now we just got to put it together. First thing we're going to do is I'm going to go over to the welding table. First thing I'm going to do is weld these extra nuts on here for this supports. And then we're going to build it from there. Well guys, there it is, waiting for me to put the paint on it and it'll be ready to go out. I decided instead of trying to make fancy nuts, I just use everything with 1/4-20. So you just take 1/4-inch bolts. All these have got relieves in them, then this is adjustable, and it's adjustable in several ways. You could bolt it to the bench or you can clamp it. Now I just bolted it, drill 3/8 holes, so if the person that gets this wants to permanently mount it, he can just bolt it right to his workbench. So, with no further ado, I'm going to get some paint on this thing, let it dry, and I'm going to call this guy tomorrow. Hey guys and gals, hope you enjoyed the video. I hope all of you that had the watch party, it went well for you. I want to take this opportunity to remind you that this is a copyrighted production. James Deadman, Sawlogs Plastic Hubs, for your entertainment, enjoyment, and viewing pleasure here on YouTube. Guys, I hope you all had a Merry Christmas, a Happy Holidays. This will probably come out up in January, based on the way I think and where I'm at on my videos. I just got a text back. Thank you. So, let's put it to you this way. I want to remind everybody I put out a video, 1,000 subscriber drawing. If you see this video before January the 28th, 2020, go back and look at that and enter. If you see this video after that, I'm going to take it down. I'll delete it after the drawing. So, with all that being said, I hope you all have a great day. I hope the watch party went well. Tom, I hope you got Chaos a toy or two for Christmas. And we'll see all yuns in the next video. Have a great day.